hip. One, two, three, four, five more. Use your hip, down the knees. Use your hip. Use your hip to use your body. Left side up. Hold it. Left arm up. Right arm down. And right shoulder, left shoulder, left shoulder. All the way up. Back. On the left side, left side. Back. One right, one left. All the way back. Left. Back. Right. Back. Left. Back. Left. Back. Right. Last 5 to go. Move. All the way steps back. 5, 3. Last one to go. Ready? Put your left side. Extend the shoulders. Okay. Push to the left and switch your body to the right. One. All the way. Face to the 45 degree. Again right. Back. Shift. One. Do 45 degree. Turn. Then right. Switch the side. Go. 45 degree. Down right. Very good. Up. Pull all the way. You need to sit down. All the way. Go down all the way. Last two. Hold up.
Hi Arjun, how are you?
I am doing great. How about you?
Yeah, good. All right.
One. Opposite side. Will you bring it down?